What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin, and some of y'all said I should vlog more because there's nothing for me to really do right now with my life. So in the meantime, while we're figuring all this shit out, we're gonna build a shoe wall. Let's do that. So this has been a project that I've wanted to do for the last probably 3 years of my life, but because of school and being busy, I've never had the time, and now I have the time, and I got a little bit of money laying around, and I want to do this, and Target closing for another hour and a half, so I'm gonna go. We done made it, y'all. We made it to the Target. Okay, so this is the mission. Get in and get out with 3 cubicle shelves. Hopefully we can do this. I'm already distracted by all of the Legos. It used to be my thing, bruh. This used to be me all day. Oh, look at that. Exactly why I love Target at late night. Because ain't nobody here. Nobody. Oh, look, we made it, y'all. We made it. Wait a minute. Those are like the really expensive ones. Yep, we're not doing that. Nope. That's the idea. Like, that's the idea. But we need a cheaper option. Oh, there's only 2. The website said there were 3, and there's only 2 here. What is we going to? What is we going to? I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. We're gonna see. Okay. So here's the thing. I could get this shelving unit and then just kind of have a little design on top of it. Maybe? I don't know. Which might work. Okay, y'all. Tell me why I came in here for them shelves, right? How'd I get light bulbs? How? But see, they're the LED ones, and they look like the Edison bulbs, and so, you know, it saves on energy. I need to save money. It made sense to me. And then I got some of that white contact paper to put on the bottom of the shelves, so that way the shelves don't get dirty when I put my shoes on them. I was thinking. We gonna go, and we gonna put these shelves together and figure out what this situation gonna be. Okay. Y'all, I forgot I gotta carry them things all the way up them stairs. I can't even see them stairs. Ugh. Y'all know y'all don't have to be that heavy. Lord, today, shoot. Okay. Now that's done, we're gonna assemble these, move those somewhere else, and then put all of them shoes that are over here and give them a new home. Wait a minute, let me make sure my air on because it's kind of hot by her. And we're gonna be working a lot. So before we do this, I'm gonna get these light bulbs switched out so that way I can already start saving my energy like right now. This electric bill, too much. We're gonna tack it down. Like Eva said to Marley with that weed, we're gonna get some Gotcha Glue Goo, we're gonna tack it down, okay? Hold on, let's focus now, let's focus. Okay, now see, this is why I'm changing them. 5 watts, 250 lumens, which is nice. It's a nice dark amber color, which I love because at nighttime, I'm trying to just relax. And sometimes I want mood lighting, you know? When I have people over, okay? I want to kind of make it more chill, more intimate, okay? More cozy. Hey, we don't say that money. Electric bill, you're going down, going down. All right, so that's the before. And here another before and after. Ooh, that's bright. Ooh, but it's pretty though. Yes, that's what we're looking for. All right, so this is the before. This is the bare wall. We're gonna put a giant shelf here for some shoes. For a whole pile of shoes.
All the water bottles? Like the water bottles? I'm like, oh, y'all, what's in the water? Like, I really...
All right, part 2 is done. And then we're gonna lift it on top of this thing so that way it is all the way up to the ceiling. This is like taking me about 30 minutes per piece to put together, so. Woo, child. All right, update. It is 1:18 in the morning, as that clock will say. But we have the final piece. This one doesn't have the stackable holes. So what I might have to do is drill 2 little holes to go right there and there. That'll go right there and there. So I can put that on that onto that. So I'm gonna get my drill bit. I wasn't thinking we're gonna need some power tools, but we're gonna need a little bit of zzz.
I'm so sorry.
First off, let's just shout out to Issa Rae and Insecure, because this show, I can watch it over and over forever, and it's still funny. It's still good. Drilled some holes so I can put that so it don't fall over. We got some anchors so the whole thing ain't gonna fall down just in case there's an earthquake, because y'all know Kansas gets earthquakes. Alrighty, because my mom ain't raised no dum-dum, I put that second piece on top of there and then figured out where the studs were just by the whole knock-knock technique. I'm tired. This is taking longer than I was expecting, but at the same time, I'm a person who, when I start a project like this, I want to finish it before I go to sleep, because I don't want to wake up and have this to do. So we're almost there, though. Almost. Okay, so I went to put the top piece on, and it was the holes that I drilled in for the dowels are too small. And so we need to go from a 3/16 to a 1/4 inch bit. Re-drill those holes, and hopefully this will be done, and then I can drill it into the wall and balance it out. Ah! So much! But I love these kind of challenges because I can do them. Yes. We did it, y'all. It's ridiculous. I like how it looks. It'll look better with shoes. It comes out a good maybe 3 inches by the time it reaches the top, so we're gonna screw it so that way it hangs like this and it's nice and close to the wall. Y'all, you cannot tell me. I have half a mind to paint like that top section, the matte light gray, just to blend into the wall, but I also don't necessarily mind that it's a different color. But I screwed it in. You can see the 2 anchors in those 2 corners to the wall. It's been balanced. Now the test. Will it roll or will it stay? BAM! Well, that's it, y'all. I did it! It took me, what, 2.5 hours to put all this together? But, shoot, that's what that engineering degree gets you right there. I mean, I only did 1.5 years of the engineering program, but I know some basic putting together furniture stuff. This is dope. Oh my gosh. My shoe wall is finally actually a thing. I left the corner because I don't know, because there's an outlet. And then I put it so that way the switch is actually hiding in there. So now there's a hidden switch, so now that's not like apparent. So yeah, I'll put my shoes in here. And I'm gonna figure out how to organize it so it all makes sense, and then I will show y'all the final product. Like, how do I organize my shoes now? Because now this is the hardest part. I'm thinking by color and by like occasion, like dress shoe, casual shoe, athletic shoe, high top. Does that make sense? No, I think I'm gonna do rainbow order. Yeah, we gonna see. Okay. This is gonna be hard. Okay, we gonna work it out. We gonna make it work. We gonna make it work. I feel like I can do this, so we will see. Yo. When I say this is making my heart happy, like, oh, just a place for all the shoes to just chill. They can just chill. And I can just look at them all at one time and figure out which ones are. Yes, I have 9 pairs of different black shoes. We're not talking about that anyway. But the fact that I'm gonna just have everything in one little spot. Ooh, my heart happy, Chad. My heart is happy. 1 pair at a time. 1 pair at a time. Nice. Okay, I'm just laying down right now because I'm thoroughly exhausted. I absolutely am in love with my shoe wall. It's so tall. It's a little bit ridiculous, honestly, but I'm happy with it. Yeah. Let me fix this one thing though. The only thing is that, like, I mean, I now need a step stool to get to my tallest shoes. I just like that everything is there and I can see everything, and it makes sense that it's in my bedroom because it's the last thing that I put on when I get dressed, and it's the first thing I take off when I come inside, so it just makes sense to put it right here. So I'm gonna close out this vlog. Yeah, I'm happy with my shoe shelf. That's something I've been wanting to do for about 3 years now, or even longer. I kind of want to figure out how to get little lights, you know, to kind of shine on the shoes, like kind of spotlight it out, you know. I need to get them boxes to that recycling bin tomorrow. The little black metal things need to get on out. I need to have someone to pick up truck, come pick them up and take them somewhere far, far away from me. Let me know if I should do more vlogs of me just doing stuff, and if you guys like this video, give it a like. But let me know what you guys think. How do I close these things again? Oh yeah, if you got questions, ask me those. leave me something in the comment section. Hit me up on social media, Instagram, Snapchat, still there for the most part. Oh, and subscribe for randomness related to my life. I'll do like an actual update video of things, you know. I've graduated college, I have my master's now, so I'll do a video and update on you guys on how that last like semester of school was in another video. But now I'm gonna go to sleep. Watch the last one if you would like to do that. There's another playlist down there of stuff, and hit the subscribe icon if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Peace, and keep it locked, alright?